Hello friends, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching the Advent Calendar videos. We are opening window number 21 today. I'm so sorry I was not able to film the previous 7 days, the previous 7 windows of this Advent Calendar. I was very busy. I had some other work to do, and I also had some work being done on my apartment. And then I got sick. In fact, I'm still sick, but I was eager to get back to my craft room. And I finally reorganized my craft room. The mess is gone. The disaster is under control. And I'm now happy to be back in my craft room, back to crafting. So let's take a look at day number 21. Day number 21 brings us a fun popsicle die. By the way, I am wearing a brace on my arm, on my hand. It started to hurt again. When I do too many emails, when I stay on my computer for too long, I find that I have this pain in my wrist. So I have this little brace that I purchased a while back that a doctor recommended, and it helps me to, combat the pain. So this is why I have it on my wrist. So let's go back to the die set. The die set is super adorable. Like all Spellbinders die sets, it consists of multiple parts and pieces, allowing you to really customize your die kit. So you have like the front of the popsicle, the back of the popsicle, the detail kind of inserts for the popsicle. There's even a little dropout where you can add a highlight to your popsicle. And of course, there's a popsicle stick. So I wanted to do a Valentine's Day card because let's be honest, it's too late to make Christmas cards now, and the next big holiday is Valentine's Day. So my idea was that I want to make a Valentine's Day card. I could make a birthday card with this die set and, have a sentiment, something like wishing you a sweet birthday or something like that. But I just wanted to do a Valentine's Day card, so that's what I did. I die cut the popsicle from the Poppy Field cardstock. This is the red cardstock from Spellbinders. I wanted to do a red and black color combination. I also die cut the shadow layer from the darker red. I'm trying to remember which color it was. I think it was either pomegranate or crimson. And I added ink blending. I added some dark red ink blending to my Poppy Field layer to add a little bit of color variation. Ink blending always adds a little bit of interest to a die cut. So if you're struggling, if you feel that your die cut looks too boring or too blank, you can always add a little bit of ink blending and it's going to look much better. I die cut the highlight from the brushed white cardstock. Although, you can't really see that this is brushed white. It's such a tiny piece, but I will tell you that it makes a huge difference. Adding that little white highlight there, it makes it pop. I will show you 2 more popsicle examples where the highlight was not cut from white. It was cut from from the same color cardstock as the background, and it looks different. It does not make quite an impact as it does on this popsicle. I also used brown for the popsicle stick. I die cut 2 layers. I used my Barely Art glue to glue the layers together just to make it a little sturdier. And this is how you assemble the popsicle. Now the popsicle, there's also another die that looks like, some melted ice cream. I did not do it here, but I did do it on the other 2 popsicles that I assembled, and you can see it here. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble the card. Again, I wanted to do red and black, so I pulled my brushed black cardstock from Spellbinders. If you guys have been watching my videos, if you know me, you know how much I love this paper. It is fantastic. So there's brushed black and there's brushed white. I so wish there would be other brushed colors of cardstock, and I don't know, maybe my wishes will eventually come true. I just need to, let Spellbinders know that I want other brushed colors of cardstock. I use the splatter embossing folder from Spellbinders. This is a 2D embossing folder, and it embossed this paper beautifully. I added my embossed panel onto a black card base. I will add a white panel to the inside of the card. I'm adding black foam adhesive to the back of my die cuts, so I have 2 popsicles here, and I'm going to foam mount them in the center, but I'm offsetting them slightly. So I'm once again sort of going back to my grid design, but the grid isn't exactly, it's not as prominent as it is on my other cards. So I will have 4 elements here. I have the 2 popsicles, and I also have the 2 sentiments, or the sentiments split into 2 sections. So the XOXO. The sentiment was created using the Be Bold uppercase alphabet dies from Spellbinders. This is an older die set, but it's one of my favorites. I used the treasured cardstock in gold to die cut the XOXO. I used gold glitter and then the regular mirror gold cardstock for some of the die cuts. So half are the gold glitter and the other half are mirror gold. And I also have little hearts die cut from the gold glitter, and the little hearts come from the Parcel and Post die set. You have seen me use this die set many, many, many times lately in my videos. So to adhere the sentiment straight onto my card, because when I work with sentiments, when I work with letters like this, I tend to adhere them not straight. So here I have a T-square ruler from Simon Says stamp. What I did here is I placed the card base onto my magnetic glass mat. Then I set the ruler on top. And then, so that I don't have to hold the ruler with my fingers, I set a magnet on top. So the magnet, and this is one of those longer, bigger magnets from the Glassboard Studios. So the magnet is holding both the card and the ruler, and that makes it so easy and so much better. And now my sentiment is not crooked. So here's a look at the day 21 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I enjoyed working with this die set. I love day 21. I did open the previous days, and I kind of filmed how I was opening my advent calendar because I kind of wanted to do the videos for the previous days because the previous days are really nice, but I just did not have time. And I want to say that I will film the videos and I will make the cards, but I need to be realistic, and I just know that I won't have the time, sadly. So I decided I will just move forward. And if I do, magically end up having time for those videos, I will definitely go back and film something. So that's it from me for today. Love you guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos and watching my videos and sharing my videos with your friends. I appreciate it. I love you, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye.